Why are you burning us like this? We can't even step outside anymore.
I am not destroying the earth. Humans are.
You dried my lands.
You cut my trees. You polluted the environment.
Then why punish innocent people?
Nature does not punish. It reflects human actions.
Can we still save the earth?
Protect nature, and nature will protect you. When humans change, nature heals. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to Kushal Cinematics.